Hi, I'm Chef John Brantley, and anyone who grows their own tomatoes knows that at peak season, you have such an abundant amount of tomatoes, you really don't know what to do with them. I'm going to show you a way to take those tomatoes and preserve them to use throughout the year. What we're going to do is simply cut off the top and then slice the tomato lengthwise. You're going to need a sheet pan with some parchment paper. We're just going to line these up. And what we're going to do is we're going to top it with a drizzle of olive oil. We're going to put a little bit of salt. The reason you want to use the salt here is we're trying to cook the water out of the tomato. So the salt will help break that down. It's going to extrude the water from the fruit, and when it cooks in the oven, it's going to help it to get drier and caramelize the sugars. We're going to add a little bit of pepper. Just a small amount of sugar. This is just going to help take some of the acidity away and make it just a little sweeter. And then we're going to use an herb called Herbes de Provence. Herbes de Provence is a mix of rosemary, lavender, thyme, basil. You want to make sure that you rub the herb, the dry herb, in either the palm of your hand or between your two fingers. This is going to get the oil coming out, and it's going to really heighten the flavor. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to put it in a 325-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is going to be your end result. What we've done now is we've taken a tomato and we've caramelized the sugars. We've cooked out the moisture. It's going to have a really bright, vibrant flavor. They're very versatile. They're wonderful on salads. They're great in a stew. Just layer out some nice mozzarella, top it with the tomatoes, some fresh basil, a little drizzle of olive oil. It's beautiful. I enjoy using them all throughout the year at my restaurant, and I hope you will too.